I really started focusing on getting Excel to do my work. Like, how do I delegate my task to Excel? Not to another employee, but to Excel. And so this mindset really helped me delegate like all of these manual steps to Excel. It's for anyone who would say that they use Excel on a regular basis to do the same types of reports or projects every day, week, month, quarter, year, what I'll call recurring use workbooks. That's the sweet spot. So I use ChatGPT, I use Copilot like practically on a daily basis. And I found those tools are really good at certain things. And when it comes to Excel, it's really good at explaining things you encounter and helping you write a specific formula for a specific task. I offer a free class. I offer a free weekly Excel tips newsletter. And so if your listeners would like to get more information on that, they can head to excel-university.com/tips, and they can sign in for the Excel tips newsletter.